So you might be in a situation where for some reason the Instagram follow button just isn't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if you're on some random account and for some reason that follow button just isn't working, the first thing I'd recommend going through and making sure is that you aren't already following them. You can see right there, I already follow this particular person, but if I unfollow them, that follow button may not work right on time. So you can try unfollowing them and following them again, or continue to try tapping that follow button, and sometimes it might randomly work. A big reason why that follow button randomly just doesn't work is typically because of your Wi-Fi or internet connection. So the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just double check that connection. So you can do this by going into your settings application. So open up settings. And then what you're going to want to do is basically go over until you find your Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth connection or cell connections, and just make sure you're properly connected to some sort of connection. Because if you're not, well, that's probably going to be another reason why that Instagram follow button just isn't working. Now, on top of that, you might also want to go through and just double check your particular Instagram application and make sure it's not out of date. So here you can go through and make your way over to your app store. You can go and just type in Instagram. So just type in Instagram like this, and I'm typing it in. I've used like one hand. So after typing it in just like so, you can then go through and try finding Instagram. So in this case, I untyped it. So type in Instagram, find the application, and go ahead and try updating it. And that can also be another really easy way of fixing the problem. So those are the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.